To beat the Doordash algorithm, it is essential to understand how it works and what factors it considers when assigning deliveries to dashers. The algorithm takes into account the dasher's location, acceptance rate, completion rate, and customer ratings. First, maintain a high acceptance rate by accepting as many requests as possible, especially during peak hours. This shows the algorithm that you are a reliable and active dasher, increasing your chances of getting more requests. Second, focus on completing deliveries efficiently and effectively to maintain a high completion rate. This means being on time, following the delivery instructions, and ensuring customer satisfaction. Third, strive to achieve high customer ratings by providing excellent customer service, being polite and courteous, and resolving any issues promptly. High ratings indicate to the algorithm that you are a quality dasher, resulting in more delivery opportunities. Fourth, consider the timing of your dashes, as the algorithm favors dashers who are available during peak hours, usually lunch and dinner times. Being online and ready to accept requests during these times can significantly increase your earnings. Additionally, be mindful of your location, as the algorithm often assigns requests to dashers who are closest to the restaurant or customer. Staying in areas with high demand and being prepared to move quickly can help you receive more requests. Finally, take advantage of the Doordash heat map, which shows areas of high demand in real time. By focusing on these areas, you can increase your chances of getting more delivery requests and beating the algorithm. By following these steps and maintaining a strong performance, you can improve your chances of success on the Doordash platform and increase your earnings. Remember to stay flexible, adapt to changing conditions, and continually optimize your strategy to achieve the best results.